Dan Hertzler from Windsor, Vermont.
My name is Jenny Bright, and I'm from Unity, New Hampshire.
My name is Mariah Keat. I live in Heartland, Vermont, but I'm from Grantham, New Hampshire originally.
Hi, I'm Colleen Hayes. I live in Claremont, New Hampshire, but I started singing the Sacred Harp in Philadelphia.
My name is Margaret Graver. I live in Hanover, New Hampshire, and I know the drill, so you want me to say when I started doing this? I go back to 1978 when I was a college student.
So some of us on apple picking crews that we lived with and worked with each other learned those songs out of that little pamphlet type thing. So that was my first singing of that.
I started singing in 1979. I've been singing for 36 years, and if I can live another year, I'll be singing Sacred Harp half my life.
Wow.
That's what I'm shooting for anyway. From my point of view, the most important verse is the verse when we sing the shapes and invoke the spirit and memory of all the singers gone before.
great things about Sacred Harp is that it's very portable. One of the ways that it spread across what we now know as the United States is it carried with settlers as they made their way west, and especially in places where it was hard to pull a piano or an organ behind you. If you have a book, you can pick it up and you can sing from it.
Through this method, ordinary people could not only read music, they could sight read music by associating the sequence of shapes from the triangle to the rectangle, to the round note to the rectangle, is a visual cue for the interval of what two notes in sequence would sound like.
I remember something that stuck in my mind that Dan Hertzler said was, this music has different priorities. It's about participation, and one thing that's really important to me is that although we try to sing in key, it doesn't really matter how anybody sings, it matters that you sing. And
There's something very special about this music that brings people together and has brought together people for centuries. There are other styles of music that can give you goosebumps, but in terms of like songs to goosebump ratio, Shade No Singing has it
Pretty high.
covered, yeah.
I want to sing 235 and also bring this mic in the middle.